It's Amazing Girl to see that I'm back with another video. Oh, hey, how y'all doing, my Mooka Buzz? Okay, so, I got a little spell for y'all, okay? And not little spell. This is a big spell, and this spell is gonna bring you some big bucks, okay? I do it every month, and I'm gonna let y'all know too, okay? I'm not gonna go much into how much it brings me a month, because yeah, but just know it's an insane amount, okay? Kind of like unbelievable, to be honest, and I'm still not used to it. But anyway, so I learned this a couple months ago. I've always did a bunch of different types of love spells because your baby girl likes her money, okay? So I always did a bunch of types of spells, money spells, love spells, but again, I did a bunch of different types of money spells. This is one that is really simple. You use stuff that everybody got in their house, and I got y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on. Again, I'm not gonna say how much money specifically this bowl has brought me in the past, 4 or 5 months, but it's honestly unbelievable. It's honestly unbelievable, and it's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna put y'all on, okay? I'm gonna put y'all on. So, hold on, I got multiple books up in this motherfucker. Hold on, baby, give me a second. Hold on, gonna go to the page. You don't have to turn the page. I'm sorry. It ends with you and me. You don't have to walk away. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Yo, that's my song. Y'all go listen to Turn the Page by Bobby Valentino. That's my nigga. That's my nigga. I grew up listening to him, baby. Okay, anyway, so money bowl spell. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to get a glass bowl, okay? I want you to get a glass bowl. In this bowl, okay? If you could find, now most of this stuff is in your cabinets, but if you don't, there's also extra stuff that I add in, which you can find online. So if you don't have it in the cabinet, or just go to your local, witchy woo woo lady. Like, they always have that. Okay, so you're gonna get a bowl, right? You're gonna need a bowl. I'm telling you first of all what you're gonna need right now. You're gonna need a money sigil, okay? Everybody can make their own money sigil. Everybody can make their own money sigil. You can use the original money sigil, okay, which is a dollar sign. When I wake up in the morning, I roll up and count my money. I'm so wavy. Oh, my bad. Okay, my bad. You see, y'all just be, okay, y'all do too much, baby. All right, I'm sorry. All right, so you can do you draw your own money sigil. I already said look up how to make sigils, because it's kind of like, it's a few steps, but it's not too hard. Like, just, you can make a sigil for anything that you want to make a sigil for, and it's specifically yours. So if you don't feel like doing all that, use a regular dollar sign, because that is a money sigil. See how I say, like, there's literally witchy woo woo shit and everyday shit? I'ma shut up. Anyway, okay, so you're gonna need sigil. Write your sigil on paper. Rip all the smooth edges off the paper, so you have, like, just like the inside, and it's gonna look like obviously rugged. But remove all the like. Okay, so let's say this is the paper, right? You rip all of this off. And it's gonna be like just the inside of the paper. You get what I'm talking about? All right, cool. So get your sigil. That is gonna go at the bottom of your bowl. That's gonna be the first thing to do with the bottom of your bowl. You can cleanse your bowl. I don't do none of that. Okay, you can cleanse it with like an incense. Just go any type of smoke. Honestly, cleanses it. If you sitting there, straight up. All right, so get a bowl. You get your sigil. Brown paper is the best, like brown paper bag, like McDonald's. If not, you could just use regular white paper. So sigil. You need change, like actual change, quarters, nickels, dimes, it does not matter. Rice, sugar, herbs. The herbs that you're going to need is peppercorn, salt, cinnamon, rosemary, bay leaves, and basil. Now, again, if you don't have all of these things, that's okay. You could just use with the things that you do have, okay? For real. Extra stuff that I put to it for my own is calamus. you can buy that online. Calamus, rose hips, you can buy that online. Lavender, mistletoe, and yeah, so all that stuff you can buy online. You really can. So you're going to take the bowl and you're going to fill it, put the sigil at the bottom. So I do the sigil first and then I put the change on top of the sigil. Then I just add all this stuff on top of each other. Do not mix it. I'm going to tell you when to mix it, okay? So you're going to take the bowl and then you're going to... Sorry, I'm excited to be putting y'all on my babies. Okay, so you're going to take the bowl, you're going to do sigil, you're going to do your rice, you're going to do your sugar, and you're going to do your herbs, okay? Salt as well. I said, oh yeah, peppercorn, salt, rosemary, cinnamon, bay leaves. Okay, yeah, period. Okay, you're gonna put all that in. There's no specific amounts. Do what your heart desires. Do what your heart desires. But as you're adding in everything, say what you want it to bring to you, okay? You can figure out what all these little things mean by looking it up. Like I can tell you some stuff right now. So the basil brings happiness, love, peace, protection, purification, success. Bay leaf, success, wisdom, divination. Lavender, peace, protection, purification. You know what I'm saying? Like every single thing has stuff that it's used for. Okay, I do not put any crystals or anything. Like the salt is the crystal. Salt is crystal. Just grind it up crystal. But anyway, so you're gonna take all that stuff. You're gonna add it all to your bowl. As you're adding everything, you say, "Bring me this." Bring me this, bring me this, with good to all and harm to none, 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 with good to all and harm to none. That's really important, guys. With good to all and harm to none. That's important, okay? Because a family member might have a life insurance policy, then they go, now you got $1 million, but guess what? Now they're gone, okay? Good to all and harm to none. Okay. Sorry, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to yell at you, my love. You know, I'm sorry. I just gotta, you know, y'all gonna remember it if I put a little oomph in it. You feel me? Like, yo, my house smells so good. Okay, anyway, maybe my bad. Okay, so as you add all of that stuff. Oh, so for the calamus, basically binds you to money. The rose hips is for protection and luck. Lavender is for prosperity. Mistletoe is unblocks everything and opens paths. So if you have any money blockages or anything, okay, and a lot of this stuff also returns any money that is spent right back to you, right? Okay, so I do this on the first of every month. If you cannot do the first, you do the second. It's okay, baby. It don't matter. So once you add all that shit to your bowl, right, you are going to put your finger in it. You're going to stir clockwise. While you are stirring clockwise, I want you to say a prayer, returning all money spent, all my money stolen, all my money given to me by my ancestors and beyond. Say that as you're stirring it clockwise with your finger. Okay? And then after that, put some actual cash on it. Just put some actual cash on the top. Whether that's $1, $2, $3, $100, whatever, right? And you're going to take that money bowl and you are going to put it in the right corner, the upper right corner of your house. The upper right corner of your house. If you want to add extra, get a money tree, put the money tree in the upper right corner of your house, and put the bowl, sit the bowl in the dirt in the money tree. Okay? Now, throughout the days or whatever, add some money to it. You have to feed the bowl. You have to feed the bowl, okay? Whether that's change, dollars, or whatever. But guess what? Your money's going to be coming in fast, so it's not going to be a hard time feeding the bowl, baby. And then that's it, guys. It's really simple. It's really simple, and I do this every month. Every month, and it is going to bring in money to you. With good to all and harm to none. Okay? Now listen, I know I come up on here usually looking like a snack bitch, but I didn't do that. I'm gonna look like a snack after this because I had stuff to do today. My friend's coming over and I made food. I made arroz con guandules and piní, and it's so good. It's basically rice and beans and pork shoulder. That's basically what that is. Arroz con guandules is rice and beans, and then piní is pork shoulder. That's basically it. It smells good. That shit is gonna cook slow for a good 4 hours. Yeah. So after I do this, then I'm gonna get ready, make my spicy content and stuff like that. And I'm getting turned. Like I said, guys, my birthday's on Monday. We finna be 25 and 29 and 20. Okay, and I'm like really excited. Okay, but I know y'all saw my. Do I have any drama or tea? I don't know, guys. I've been peaceful. Dodging niggas like STDs. Like little Kim does it. Hold on, I actually do that really good. Y'all want to see? Wait. Ready? No, but for real, like, yeah, my birthday is on Monday. Yeah, we finna get toe up. We finna get toe up. We gonna get toe up today. I'm getting toe up tomorrow. I'm getting toe up the day of. Yo, I'm just finna be fucked up. But yeah, I love y'all so much, my Mooka Butts. Remember, I love you. You are amazing. There's nothing too big that you cannot do. You are beautiful. You are handsome. You are loved inside and out. If nobody told you today, I love you and I'm proud of you. Don't let any negativity stop you. Don't let anybody project their bullshit onto you. Be your own fucking person. Stand in your truth and be your motherfucking self. And you are going to disturb the people who are too scared to be themselves, so they're going to try to project their shit onto you. Tell them to eat your ass. And I love y'all, my babies, and I'll see y'all in my next video, which you know is gonna be soon, because we ain't stopping. Peace.